Let's install a new video card in our computer. First, turn the computer off and disconnect everything from the rear. And unplug it. Remove the side panel to access the video card. This varies between computers. You may need to unscrew it from the rear. Depending on your computer, you may need to remove other access panels. Locate your video card. And, depending on your computer, you may need to unscrew it. We have a screwless system, so we're good to go. If your video card has a 6-pin power plug, be sure to disconnect it. You'll need to gently pull back a tab that looks like this to release the clip on the video card. Pull the tab and gently lift the rear of the video card and rock it out. It should come out fairly easily. Locate the slot for your new card. Each PCI slot will tell you what type it is. Normally, you'll just use the same slot. The card we are installing is PCI 3, so we'll just use the original slot. Line up the card with the slot. It can only go in one way. Gently place the card in the slot. Ensure it is in the PCI slot and gently press down. You'll hear it click when in place. Pull up gently on the card to make sure it is secure and doesn't come out, and press it back down. If required, place a screw in the bracket. We have a screwless case, so we'll just lock it down with this clamp. Some video cards get all the power they need from the PCI slot. Others require a 6-pin power connector. If your power supply does not include a 6-pin power plug, you can get an adapter and connect it to a Molex plug. We'll go ahead and plug in the 6-pin power connector. Now, button up your computer case and attach the side panel. Each video card is different, so make sure you have the proper cables for your new card and monitors. This card has 4 DisplayPort outputs, but other cards may have DVI, HDMI, mini DisplayPort, VGA, etc. So we'll use a DP to HDMI cable to connect to our monitors. Go ahead and plug everything back into your computer, connect the power plug, and turn it on. Now this part might be a little scary. You may not see anything when you turn on your computer, but don't worry. Allow Windows 10 to completely load, and it will automatically install a compatible driver. If you're still not seeing anything, make sure your monitors are set to the proper input. Since we're using the HDMI port on the monitors, we'll set it to HDMI. And there we go. Even though Windows will automatically install a driver for you, to get the most out of your new video card, you should visit the manufacturer's website for your video card and download and install the latest driver. The exact site you visit will depend on the brand of your card. Since we have an NVIDIA card, we'll go to the NVIDIA website for the latest driver. And that's it. Your video card is installed, the drivers are updated, and you're done.